Hi friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. Department of Atomic Energy has issued a notification regarding recruitment of stenographer, upper division clerk and junior storekeeper or junior purchase assistant. There are 2 vacancies for the post of stenographer grade 2, 4 for stenographer grade 3, 5 for upper division clerk and 63 for the post of junior purchase assistant or junior storekeeper. Educational qualification required for the post of stenographer grade 2 is 10th or equivalent with a speed of 100 words per minute in English shorthand and 45 words per minute in English typing. For the post of stenographer grade 3, educational qualification required is matriculation or equivalent with 50% and a speed of 80 words per minute in English stenography and 30 words per minute in English typewriting. For the post of upper division clerk, educational qualification required is any degree with English typewriting speed of 30 words per minute and knowledge of computer data processing. For the post of junior purchase assistant or junior storekeeper, educational qualification required is graduate in science or commerce or diploma in mechanical or electrical or electronics or computer science engineering. Age limit minimum 18 years and maximum 27 years as on 27/12/2020. The selection is based on written test and skill test for the post of stenographer. The level 1 test will be an objective type test and the level 2 test is a stenography skill test. 40% weightage is given for level 1 test and 60% weightage is given for level 2 test while preparing the final merit list. For the post of UDC and junior purchase assistant or junior storekeeper, selection will be done on the basis of objective type test level 1 and descriptive type test level 2. Level 1 will be a qualifying exam or screening test to shortlist candidates for level 2. Final merit list will be prepared based on the marks scored in level 2. For stenographer, grade 2 and grade 3 and UDC posts, the level 1 test will consist of 200 questions from general English, general knowledge, general intelligence and reasoning, quantitative, aptitude, arithmetic. The duration is 2 hours. For junior purchase assistant or storekeeper, the level 1 test will consist of 200 questions from general English, general intelligence and reasoning in science or basic accounting principles of 12th standard level, quantitative aptitude, arithmetic, general knowledge and computer knowledge. The duration is 2 hours. For the post of upper division clerk or junior purchase assistant or junior storekeeper, the level 2 written examination descriptive type will comprise of English language and comprehension for 100 marks for a duration of 3 hours. The skill test for stenographer grade 2 will consist of a dictation test in English at 100 words per minute for 7 minutes duration and a transcription test on computer for 35 minutes for a total of 200 marks. The skill test for stenographer grade 3 will consist of dictation test in English at 80 words per minute for a duration of 7 minutes and a transcription test on computer for 35 minutes. The total marks is 200. The application fee is ₹100. SC, ST, women, ex-servicemen and PWD candidates are exempted from payment of application fees. Interested and eligible candidates can apply on or before 27th December 2020. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.